Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn three basic concepts known as kore, sore and are, that is this, that and that thing over there. So let's begin. Now we have this or kore and that or sore and that thing over there or are. Now let us have a detailed look on this. Suppose we have this speaker named A and this is B, who is the listener. This is the speaker. Suppose there is a book with A. So A will refer this book as kore. This kore wa hon desu. This is a book. Now, if the listener B wants to repeat the same sentence, he has to use the word sore. Sore wa hon desu. That is, kore means which is near to the speaker, and sore is which is far away from the speaker but near the listener. The third concept we have is are. Suppose here is a shelf and this shelf is away from both A and B. Now both A and B will refer to it as are. Are. This shelf in Japanese means tana. So both A and B will refer to it as are wa tana desu. Means that is the shelf over there. Are is used when the object is far away from both the speaker and the listener. So this is the meaning of this, that and that thing over there, or as we refer to it as kore, sore and are. So this is all for today's lesson. Thank you.